to turnip seed here, and I am today gonna show you how you could use Backpage with Last and Photobucket to quickly post ads without an auto poster. Okay, you don't want to really get involved with that. I wouldn't, just because you don't want to get kicked off Backpage or things like that. But anyways, the goal of posting on Backpage, it's a free advertising, but in order to get good results, you need to post ads consistently, like daily, in major cities, and I would combine it with also posting on Craigslist and quick ads if it were me. Okay, but you can use this strategy in those other ones as well. So I'm going to teach you quickly how to do clickable image ads, and your goal is to get, okay, my microphone's working again. I've had so many technical difficulties, so as a result, I will not be going step by step through. What I'm going to do is show you an ad and then kind of reverse show you what I did to get the ad. Okay? This is the ad that I just posted. It's a clickable image ad. It has my title here: work at home agents wanted, immediate opens available. What you want to do is you want to come up with a ad title, and you want to, in every city that you post in, you want, and at the bottom you're going to put a quote. Okay, and you want to go to your email address after you've posted it, and you want to click on the ad to confirm, and that's the final process, and you're going to do that for every city. Okay, you can do this process in an hour or so. All right, so that's the ad. If you click on it, I've linked it, it goes straight to my capture page. Boom, that's my capture page. I will be changing my capture page to be more congruent with my ad, but for now this is the capture page that I'm using. Okay, so you know it works. Now let me show you what I did. So what you're going to do is find images like this. I found this image online, and if it doesn't have a click here button on it, you want to add a click here button on it on Google. And what I did was I used the app called Pizap, P-I-Z-A-P, is free, and it has a feature on the left hand side where it allows you to add a picture. I was able to add this to that picture. It took me a second, and that was that. And you can do that. Okay, and then I uploaded this to Photobucket. So I have all these images here, including this image here. Now once you upload your images to Photobucket, you only need like I would say like 4 or 5. Okay, the link that you want to pay attention to is the HTML. So what I did, copied the HTML link. Okay, so for shits and giggles, I'm gonna copy. Hold on a second. Let me refresh this because this is like freezing. Okay, so it's refreshed. What you're gonna do is you're going to grab this HTML link. My computer is jumpy today. You're gonna grab this HTML link. Okay, now it's copied. What you're gonna do is you're gonna open a Word document. What you've done already is you've made a list of the before you do any major cities in Backpage. You can Google Backpage major cities. I have my list here. Okay, so Atlanta, Boston, Chicago, Dallas, Denver, Houston, Las Vegas, Miami, Philadelphia, Phoenix, San Diego, San Francisco, Seattle, Tampa. Those are the ones major cities I post in every day for both Craigslist and Backpage and quick ads, things like that. All right, you can there's other major cities that aren't even on there, but anyways, you have that HTML code. Pay very close attention because this is very important. What you're going to do is paste that into your document or your notepad. Now I am going to show you this because this is important. That's very important. I only have 5 more minutes left on this thing, but okay. What you're gonna do is you're gonna, where it says HTTP is the first one, / all the way up. Okay, so what you're doing is your first set of quotations. So it goes HTTP all the way to target equals quotation mark. You're gonna highlight everything from that right before the word blank. Okay, so everything before the word blank. Do not take out that quotation mark. Okay, you're gonna highlight everything from that quotation all the way. You're gonna put your website. Okay, the website you want them to go to put in their information, to capture their information. Mine's is a dollar domain that I bought. I would advise that you get one too, because Backpage and Craigslist, they don't like affiliate URLs. Okay, so you could use your, I'll say you could use your link, you know, from whatever company you have. Go ahead and use that if you feel comfortable, but I just went and bought a dollar domain. Okay, so my website is the it could be your name. I have one that is my name, but mine is Wi-Fi Opportunity .com. Okay, boom, that's my website. Make sure that I don't know what they call that thing. I'm so sleepy. Make sure that that quotation mark is still there. Okay, so now you all of this, and you're gonna go to Backpage. Okay, let's say I was posting. I'm gonna reverse engineer it just because of time. You're going to go. Let's say I was posting this initially. At the top on Backpage, if I was posting initially, I would go to post ad, pick the city, go to services, go to BizOp. But for purpose of time, once you've done those steps and you get to this page, you put in your title. You would take this information or what you just copied and you would paste it. Boom, you're done. You would type in Y where it says location. You will scroll down, uncheck. You will leave email responses because you want people to go to your capture page. Then you're going to uncheck this box that says show links to my other postings. And then you're going to scroll to, well, here it would say post ad, but then you're not done. What you would do is on the next screen, it's going to give you, you're going to check that box and you're going to click post my ad. And then you're going to go to your email address and confirm. So it sounds like a lot of steps, but it's downloaded LastPass. But here's the thing to know about LastPass. LastPass, you have to use an old version. So I've posted, I'll try to post the link of an old version of LastPass because a newer version doesn't allow you to do what you need to do in LastPass. You click in form fills, and I already have one set up, so I'll show you, but I'll show you just for today how to set one up. You go to add profile. Come on, computer. You're gonna go to, you're gonna create a name. So I would say make it the name, so call it Work at Home Agents. Okay, I'm gonna call this 2 just because I already have one. So for custom fields, you're gonna put title as a text, title, description, and I would say put location. And the value, you're gonna put the name, the title. You could cut and paste the title. I'm sorry. Okay. For description, you're going to paste your HTML, and for location, you're going to put nationwide. Okay. You're going to hit OK. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do is just for this, let's say you were posting your next ad. I'm going to delete everything so you could see how LastPass will help you, and so on and so forth. You're using LastPass to help you. So once you go to your next ad, it's going to look like this. You're going to see a little button in the side that looks like this. That's LastPass. What you're going to do is you're going to click on that link. Whoa. My computer's okay. Whoa. Click on it. You're going to select the profile that you just created. Mine is Work at Home Agents. Boom. It pastes everything in there for you. All I have to do is go ahead and change the title a little bit. And like I told you before, go to quotes. So I have success quotes up here. You could copy any success quote that you want. Let me go here. I'm gonna go, I just go to the next quote. So let's go to the next quote. I don't like that quote, so I'm gonna skip that one. Don't think too much into it, but I don't want nothing about failure, because, you know, this is fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna paste that at the bottom. So I'm gonna space down 2. I'm gonna paste that. I'm gonna take out that extra stuff. I don't want any of that. I just want the quote. Okay. I'm gonna quickly go. I don't need to check any of these other things because they're already in there. And let's see. I want to double check that I don't want email is checked and that it's unchecked for show links to other. You're gonna hit, but for now mine says update ad because this is an ad I already created. Boom, hit update ad, and it's done. Okay. Move on to your next city. You're gonna do is if you have that Word document with all your Backpage links, you could just move from city to city to city posting just like that. And when people click on this, they're gonna go straight. Let me just check this new one since I just updated it. And make sure it goes to my capture page. And it still works. So that is the process of using LastPass, PhotoBucket, and a quotes page to be able to post quickly on Backpage and other classified ad type sites. Okay, so as a reminder, one more time, you're going to go upload some images. You're going to copy the HTML link, and put in your I forget what you call it, your URL, your capture page link, and boom, you're going to highlight all of that and post that in Craigslist. And then once you post your first ad, after you do that and you have LastPass, the second ad forward and all the other ads, you can use LastPass, and the only thing you really have to do is change the title. Okay, that's it. Change the title and add a quote at the bottom. That's it. All right, this is your ad. You can do this over and over and over and over and over again. You could do more than those cities that I added. All right, here's to your success. If you would like to join me in a free work at home opportunity that pays you $25 per referral, I'm going to post some information in the comment section. And also I have a free marketing system that I've used to help me in my business that I would like to offer to you as a bonus for watching this. So go ahead and check out the comment section, and thanks for learning. And I hope that I taught you something. If you have any questions or comments, and let me know if this was helpful in the comment section. All right, bye guys.